Hey guys, so let's talk about classes and objects. To understand what an object is in object-oriented programming, let's see how we perceive real-life objects. Imagine you are talking to someone who never saw a car. How would you explain it? I bet that your explanations would fall into two broad categories. What does it look like, and what you can do with it. And if you think about it, this is how we describe or think about almost every object we know. We usually describe its attributes and/or its behaviors. In a similar way, in object-oriented programming, an object is a container of data that represents its attributes and functions that represent its behaviors. But how do we create objects? How do we know what to create? Like in real life, we create objects using a set of specifications. To build a car, the factory has a set of designs and specifications to guide them through the process. Something like a template or a blueprint. This design and specifications document is what we call a class in object-oriented programming. So classes are the templates or blueprints that we use to create objects. With a single class, we can create as many objects as we want. We call each object an instance of that class. Now, when creating an object in object-oriented programming, we don't need the same set of specifications as in real life. The class is an abstract representation of an object which we adapt to our needs. For example, imagine we are creating a very simple racing game. We could create a car class with a speed attribute and behaviors to increase or decrease that speed. If we don't need anything else, we don't declare it. We call class members to the representations of the class data and behaviors. The fields and properties represent the class data. The methods represent the class behaviors, and the constructors create the class instances. We will address each one of these in the following videos. For now, let's see how we create a class in C#. We type the keyword public, followed by class and the class name. Class names follow the camel case convention. And between the curly brackets, we add the class members. Once again, we'll see how to deal with each member in the following videos. And now that we have a class, let's see how we create an object or an instance of that class. When we create a class, we are also creating a new data type. So to create an object, we declare a new variable of that type, followed by the class name. After the assignment operator, we use the keyword new, followed by the class name and a set of parentheses. We'll see all this in more detail in the following videos, so I'll see you there.